This is Richard back at you. Today we're working on Brandon Dickinson's twin turbo Mustang. He's changing up his combination this year. He's going to go to a different gearing and a two-stage dump valve and stuff like that in the tranny. So we're excited to do it for him, see if he can't go a little bit faster next year. We're going to be pulling the tail housing off of it, standing it up on the stand. We'll pull the pump out of it, work on the converter feed or exit circuit. And then we'll put that back together. We'll flip it over, pull the valve body off. We got to do some work there, run some lines in the pan. We'll be running a line here, exit, or the cooler line will come over here, hooked to the dual stage system. Just a lot of neat stuff that we're going to be doing to it. It's going to be really neat. So we're going to get this apart. Unfortunately, we're not going to be able to do it and show you guys because we're just so busy, but this is the kit we're going to be putting in it. It's a Hughes dual stage dump valve kit. If y'all need one of these, go on their webpage or however they sell them and get you one. We hear from everybody I talk to, they're an awesome kit to put on. So if y'all need one, go grab one. If y'all need anything else from us, give us a holler, Precision Transmissions. Y'all have a great day. This is Richard back at you. We got Brandon Dickinson's Powerglide dual stage dump kit on his transmission. Now Hughes does make a single kit where they just dump the exhaust coming out of the cooler, and then they make a dual stage where they dump I believe the converter feed and the converter exhaust. Now we did his existing tranny that's in his car now. He just set his personal best at 470s, I believe, down in Dallas. He did really good. He's excited there, but it's got a different gear ratio in it. This one here, that he's going in next year, it's got a totally different gear ratio, and he's going to try the dual stage dump valve kit and stuff so he can keep his converter and kind of make the car go down the track a lot easier. He can dump the converter on the shift, soften the shift. I mean, they can do all kinds of things with these things. So if you need one, get a hold of Hughes. I hear these things are awesome. But you can kind of get an idea how we put it in. We put it all through the pan. We dump both feeds back into the pan right here. Really nice setup.
Really cool.
And then here you have your, I believe your converter feed being dumped through this line back into the pan, and this is your converter exhaust that hooks up to your cooler line. That'll hook here, and then this goes back to your cooler, comes back around, comes back in to cool it. So all we're waiting on is a set of pump gears for this thing. Then we'll have it back together. Amarillo's got a lot of fast cars here, let me tell you. We got the Dirty Bird, myself. We got Mr. Terry Thompson. We got Jeff Tidmore. We got Brandon Dickinson, the father, the daughter. We got Billy Barker. We got Billy Barker dad. We got Brent Campbell. We've got cars. We've got some fast cars here in Amarillo around the surrounding areas. So if y'all ever want to come down and play and get out run, come and see us. So if y'all need anything, give us a holler, Precision Transmissions. Y'all have an awesome day.